Hello everyone, this is Rajendran here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the pre-market report summary in ChatGPT4 using the ChatGPT plugin. So here I am in ChatGPT4. I'm going to switch to plugin section. So under the plugin section, you can see a lot more plugins I had already installed. So if in case the one of the important plugin that you have to install here is like the link reader plugin, which you can install from the plugin store. Go to the plugin store, go and type link reader here and then install it. In my case, it is already installed. So once it is installed, get back to your ChatGPT and ensure that the link reader is enabled. Now go to your favorite YouTube video, and preferably the YouTube video should be in English. So here I had taken a YouTube video with a pre-market report. Which is from an YouTuber, Shara. So she produces pre-market report and in a completely and professional format. So I'll copy this link and then I'll ask ChatGPT plugin to summarize, and then I'll provide the YouTube link. So the link reader is highly capable of reading anything from the internet, any link or any YouTube content, and it provides a detailed summary about the video. So here the video talks about US inflation data. It also talks about TCS result. It also talks about Infosys results, right? And a lot more information that you'll be able to learn more about that. And of course, the video also talks about market indicators and predictions, right? So maybe if I am pretty much concerned about a very important topic, let's say the hot topic of today is like TCS and Infosys Q3 results. So I can just simply ask a follow-through question. I can say like, provide me more detail about TCS and Infosys results. So the top one is just a summary over here. If you want more data points, you can ask follow-through questions. Then you'll be getting a complete summary about what has been discussed in the video, right? What is the expectation, what is the revenue, point by point, you'll be able to get a clean, detailed information about the particular content which has been discussed in the video. Now,